Hello everyone, my name is Katie Baker and I graduated last year from Briar Cliff and I now work at St. Luke's in the ER.
Hi everyone, my name is Kennedy Rolfus. I graduated from the BCU nursing program. I now currently work at Lutheran ER in Des Moines on the east side.
My name is Emily Coker. I am a BCU alumni. I graduated May 2023 with some of the best classmates I've ever had in my life. I am currently working as an ICU nurse at St. Luke's here in Sioux City.
Hi everyone, my name is Peyton Slaughter. I graduated from Briar Cliff in 2023 with my nursing degree, as well as a minor in psychology and in biology, and a coaching endorsement. Well, I worked in Sioux City for a few years as a CNA and then as a nurse at St. Luke's. And then I decided to be a travel nurse, which has always been my dream. So I am currently in Vermont on a travel assignment, about halfway done with my first hospital assignment, which I love.
One of my favorite memories actually was traveling to Omaha to do clinicals at Children's Hospital. The clinical experience that you get through Briar Cliff is amazing.
My favorite memory of BCU nursing is just how we grew as a family. We graduated with, I think, 6 people, so we grew really close together.
Some of my favorite memories from nursing school at Briar Cliff was studying with my classmates before exams, practicing skills with my classmates in the lab.
I am just so thankful for Briar Cliff and the nursing program. They were so great with me to be able to play a college sport, be a part of other activities. I was able to hang out with friends, do all of these fun things while still being in the nursing program and getting an amazing education. If you have the chance to go to Briar Cliff, I highly recommend it.
Graduating from Briar Cliff definitely made a difference in the nurse that I am and the person that I have become.
BCU nursing is definitely special, and I hope that someday you guys can be a part of it.
Briar Cliff was definitely one of the best decisions that I made for myself, knowing that I wanted to do nursing.